Hello friends! Today we are making bracelets. So these are beads, so I'm going to show one. And this one is also bead, but there's small ones. And all the beads. So we're going to be making lovely bracelets. So we're going to start. Watch us do it. So we put this like this. Woo! And it just goes down like this and better. But it's not good because this one's low and this one's high, so you want to like turn it. Just kidding. Turn it like this and better. It's better. So we're going to put some more beads. And ready. We're going to put the next tealish one. Where can that be? Here it is. I found the tealish. So we're going to put it in. So we're going to be putting it in all the way through this hole. Whoa! There it goes. We're going to take 2 stars, 2 hearts. So I'm going to find the heart. Lovely. We're going to put this heart in first.
And we are going to make some necklaces.
Bead through so that it can like get here. So we have to put the same color on each side. So
okay. And guys, these are colorful hearts I had to show you. I have a lot of color. I have pink, purple, all the color, but I know what those colors are because I'm gonna pick my toys up. I'm gonna do a different necklace because my sister.
So we are going to be putting the bead through this yarn. So I'm going to pick out some beads and put it through the yarn. So I'm going to show you how to do it.
My turn. And now I'm going to do some things that I like. I don't like that big. Can I use this for a moment? Guys, I like this thing because I have one in my necklace, but I'm going to use one for in the middle because I don't want this in the middle. This one, this one. Then, now I'm going to put these last because I don't want them to be in the this what I like. So I'm gonna start now.
So here is my bracelet.
It is her favorite color, but she's not supposed to use.
Speed.
Okay, can I talk fast?
Bubblegum ones. They might.
Now I'm gonna have this star on it. It's so lovely, and but I'm not gonna use it all the time. My sister's come in the house because she's not gonna.
Mr. Pig.
We have a fun mug. Yeah, that's shiny hot kid. In the back. It's not supposed to be on you. It's not supposed to be on your side. It has to be on my side. Give all of them back. Mate. I don't remember. Oh. Now, guys, now I'm going to use some of my sister, but she didn't let me use them.
Blue bead. Here it is.
But now I'm going to show the stuff. Finish. Tie it up.
Here is all my beads I got. So put in the side, through there. Whoop. I'm gonna put it in. Here, I put it all in. So here it is. So I put it all in. So it can be cool. I'm going to put this in. So here, see you guys, so cute bracelet. So I'm going to put this in here. So I'm going to put this in here. Here I'm going to put it. So I'm going to put this through the hole. Here you guys can see this. I want to put some blue bead on here. So here's the blue bead. So you guys can see it. Splash! Whoop! I got the blue bead. I'm going to put it in. So I'm going to put it all in. So I'm going to put this all in so you guys can see my necklace or bracelet. So, no, not the gumball. I feel like I see these. Nothing, but no. Why would I do something pick that? 2 pink beads, 2 blue beads. I'm gonna put this all in, okay? You're gonna see me put them all in. I'm gonna put it on the. So I'm gonna get out some beads from here. Got it. So I'm gonna show you close to see what bead I got from there. I got this bit. I'm almost done with the bracelet. I'm gonna put these here in an extra spot so I can like get up my favorite one. Silver. Why would I not pick that? And ready. So I'm almost gonna be done. I just need one last bead and I'm done. The last bead. Oh. Whoop! I put it and I'm done. You can see mine. See, I'm all done. So I'm gonna try to tie at the end. So you can see I'm almost done. So I've already finished. See? I'm gonna try to tie it. Wow. See? It's cool, so I'm gonna show it to see if it's gonna work, but you might think it's a bracelet. It's definitely not a bracelet. Because I definitely want it to be a necklace. Why would I not say it's a necklace? So, I'm gonna tie it soon. Look! I'm trying to tie it. Anyways. So, I'm all done. And I'm gonna show it. Wait! So I'm gonna put it back and I'm gonna show it what it is. Tie, and I'm all done! So look at this. She got her necklace on. I'm going to be tying the necklace. I'm gonna tie it. Tie. And ready. See, look! I made it myself. See? Look on the back of her and on the front. So, you also might be wondering, what's this? I colored it. I use real color pencils. And here she is. She's rocking. So she's gonna put her hand like this. I always put it. She's in the front of me. So you're wondering who did this to her? Well, I did it, of course. So look at her. I'm Rapunzel. I'm gonna walk. Ready? Spin around. Cute.